Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. I am your lady Tania, a true Jamaican here in Guyana, learning about the culture and people. Guys, Delvin Adams, our market tour guide, is finally revealing his true self at the Backyard Cafe. People from all over the world.
Yeah. Boom.
Oh, what's up, bro?
I'm good.
Come in. Bring the young lady in too.
Come in.
Chef. Stacy, this is how amazing our country is, right? And this is going to show you how we're growing, right? And I'm proud of how far we came
Visit
as
Guyana.
a people, as a country. So this young lady is Jamaican, and you know Visit Guyana?
No, I'm always following her.
Thank you.
On our channel on
She's a YouTuber. Wow.
yes.
And got in contact with Jamal and all the folks from YouTube and everybody, and then she's doing her vlogging.
Amazing.
Everything
Yeah.
right here.
Welcome.
Yes, and it's lovely meeting you.
That's the name of the channel, Chat Jamaican with
Chat Jamaican with Tania.
Devin. Very nice to meet you.
Yes. Hi.
So I didn't tell her what's going on, right? So we did the market tour. Everything is a surprise, and she just understood who we are really. Even Jamal didn't tell her what's going on. All she saw was like, "Hey, chef, hey, what's going on?" Everybody in the marketplace, and now she's surprised. And here is another surprise right here. There is one of our big chef star in Canada.
Yes.
Well, all over the world, he's known Chef Dev.
Chef
Right?
Dev.
So you're in for a treat today.
Okay, that's wonderful. I love it. Love every
Right,
bit
so
of it.
no worries. Got you. As a matter of fact, Jamal, I got your soup. Let me do it just like
soup.
yeah. So
I love the soup.
these guys finish filming here, and you keep doing your thing. I got your soup. I'll take out you and
And then
Jamal's.
that's you cook.
Oh, I cook only Jamaican food.
You're about to vlogging. I'm gonna vlog you now. I'm gonna do my video now, right? So guys, we have a surprise visitor here in the Backyard Cafe, Chat Jamaica with Tania. So how long have you been here in Guyana?
This is my fourth day.
Your fourth
Yes.
day. And how are you enjoying it?
I am loving it. I am loving the people. I am loving the culture. I am loving everything about Guyana. And yesterday I went to Region 3 and I got the opportunity to cross the Marara River. So that is just showing that the experience here in Guyana is lovely. I love everything. The food, the people, the culture. Beautiful.
I love it. Well,
Yes.
from Visit Guyana to Chat Jamaica with Tania,
Yes.
welcome, and we hope you continue to have an amazing time. You're here in the Backyard Cafe. Let's see what Chef Delvin cooked for you.
Yes, and I do hope that it's a great meal that I am going to love and
You
enjoy.
will have it.
Yes.
Well,
Okay, cool. Fish behind me, ready to go.
Still searing in the pan.
Yeah, just make a little bit of a bed using these beautiful vegetables. I can see they're not overcooked, nice and crispy, looking really good. And we have like almost like a veg salad going on the bottom, right? Oh, that's a tip. You choke up on the tongs, right? You get a lot more control, a lot more dexterity.
Oh.
Yeah, very important. Okay, so that's good here. I come and grab this fish. I'm gonna grab the smaller piece first. I definitely need this. Oh man. Boom. One piece here. And then we'll do another piece here.
beautiful.
And I gotta top this off. Can I slice some wiri for this?
Of course.
Yeah, so let me do let's look at that money in the bank.
Hold on, let me get him his board. There we go, chef.
And then gotta do the fresh wiri pepper, right?
Got to. We did the Wiri Pepper challenge, and you I think you won with that last one.
We had a really good time, man. So I got a nice thin. I know you can break it, you can have a lot of fun, but I like it very spicy. I know you do too.
Yes.
So we're gonna add a lot
Bring on the spice.
of chili pepper, almost like a chili pepper slaw salad on top.
Yeah.
Which is kind of madness, right? Too bad we don't have Scotch bonnet, right?
Yes.
And then we have nice
Jamaican.
hot. This is spicy. This is
You
almost
like
like
spicy?
a. This is almost like a pepper
Yes,
fish.
yes, it's a
on top
part
with
of
the
our
vegetable
culture.
slaw on the bottom, right? Sauteed. So this is using that cassava
Jerk, of
seasoning,
course.
the secret seasoning,
So-
and using what's around it.
Let's do this. If you guys are okay with it, right? We have someone who never met you before.
Yeah.
A Jamaican who came to Ghana to understand what our cuisine tastes like, and can we have you to taste what
Oh.
chef just prepared?
Oh yes, that will be fine.
How cool is that? Because now here is our patois or Creole, right? Nakatis. Nakatis.
Tekatis.
That's gonna be a nice piece. The side piece.
Yeah.
Crispy.
This is like the pone by.
Yeah.
Give it a try. Let's see.
Alright, so this is the hot pepper.
Yeah, that's the weird pepper.
Yeah.
But yours is not gonna be hot because you got none of the seed in there. You got no seed in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so it's looking delicious.
Uh-huh.
So
You want to get the knife? One
Yeah,
of
we
the
get
knife in
a
there.
fork and knife.
Yeah, use the knife and fork and get up in there. Really.
Well, that's gonna be a nice one.
I'm going to try it now.
Uh-huh.
I just hope that it's not too hot.
You got a piece there. You got a piece of pepper there, but it's gonna be a nice flavor.
Yes, it's delicious. It's really tasting nice with the pepper.
All right.
Oh, you got nice.
I
with
love
that
this right
seasoning,
here,
yeah,
man.
that crust.
So that cassava season, we're going in here right now with that cassava season.
So this was seasoned with a cassava
Bro,
or
yeah,
purple
bro.
seasoning.
Bro,
Yes,
we did it again.
You dribble in.
Yeah.
Dribble in.
We were talking to the young lady earlier this morning, and I told her about all the patois is gonna come out a little bit, so that's why I'm doing that. You know, I want her to get a feel and a taste of that. Or
This is such a beautiful flavor. I love it.
oh yes, no.
Perfect.
Good salt.
And that weird pepper.
Yeah. Wake you up
It's nice with the
like an
pepper.
espresso.
Yeah, bro.
And I think we're gonna do a challenge here again. We
are.
gotta bring the challenge back.
Guys, could we have weird pepper challenge out here?
I think you have the weird queen right
Yeah.
there.
Mr.
You don't-
Wesley as well.
You don't need anybody.
Dad, get the bowl of weird peppers.
Here it is, guys. The weird pepper challenge is on. Started at the Backyard Cafe. Chef Dev and I did it. Now Chef brought some more friends
That's it.
for us to get the challenge. And Stacy, I heard you like your pepper.
I love pepper.
The weird pepper too.
We're pepper.
You ever did the challenge?
I ate it many times home.
All right, let's do
Cheers,
this.
cheers,
Let's do
cheers.
this. What kind of little pepper this man got here, buddy?
Not just right.
How's this? How's this?
Red. All right, everybody.
we
got
good,
it.
we good, we
All
good,
right,
we
good.
good
We
now.
pop
Give me
in.
the biggest one.
Pop in the
We
real
good
pepper.
now.
Let's go. Make it happen, kids. One other thing, kids, do not do this at home. You have to be responsible doing this, okay? Just wanted to let you know. Here we go, guys. Real pepper,
One,
found in Guyana, only in Guyana. Let's go. Let's do this.
Fruity. Floral.
Yeah.
Lava.
Lava.
Lava, not lava.
Lava.
Not bad.
It's gone.
The last time it was hotter.
The last time you said was yours was not manageable.
No, my ears bell was ringing like off the chains. But this here was more
Love it.
floral.
Your
Look,
eyes watering?
hiccups.
I got hiccups.
You got the hiccup.
Still no beverage though.
That's weird.
I
Okay.
think
So
I'm
we're
good.
wearing pepper challenge.
Guys, stay tuned for
Backyard
part
Cafe and
2
try it. Let's
as
see
we
how you do,
enjoy
guys.
lunch.
All right.
Thank you for
Good.
watching
We
Chat
good, man.
Jamaican. Little more. Bye. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of